most people are in good shape here. There's about 8,000 power outages in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, which is good compared to the fact that there are more than 4 million customers served here in that area. However, this could break record cold here today. It could get down to 9 degrees. That is possibility. So obviously very cold here right now. And people here are not used to it. Obviously, either are the roads. The roads here are built for heat. They are not built for ice. So basically what everyone does here now is just simply wait. Got to wait for the sun.
Okay, that could be a long wait. Talk to us about how the Texas power grid is holding up so far.
Power grid is holding up so far. There are plenty of reserves in the power grid. They have a dashboard. We've been checking it constantly, and the reserves are fine. What we're dealing with here is localized outages. If there's ice on a power line, that has nothing to do with the power grid, and that's just basically waiting for that to be restored. But again, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you're under 1% of people without power. Now, of course, nobody wants to be in that 1%, but overall, the grid looks fine for right now.
How are the airlines doing right now, Julie?
The airlines are not having the best time. I mean, Dallas-Fort Worth, as you know, is a massive hub for American Airlines. A lot of flights have been canceled. In addition, if you look on social media, see a lot of people saying once they do land, they're sitting on the ground and they're waiting for a gate. So the airlines have to obviously deal with this because of de-icing, because of getting crews in, and for problems throughout the United States.
Yeah, pretty remarkable numbers, Paul. Sunday marked the highest number of cancellations since the early days of the pandemic.
Yes, I saw that.
22,751 flights scheduled for back in 2020 with 12,143 cancellations. And we're hitting similar numbers right now.
Yep. Julie, what's the FAA saying about when maybe air travel will get back to more normalized service levels?
You know, I'm not 100% sure how they are affecting the weather here in terms of when it will go. However, I just did see this morning that there's a bunch of more cancellations here in the DFW area. So obviously here, it is basically a wait for the sun. Again, we are expecting that tomorrow. We've got a little sun. You can see here behind me at home, we've got a little sun. But if you're not over 32 degrees, you know, that's a problem. So by tomorrow, things should be moving a little bit more back to normal.